سلام، من مجید هستم. امروز میخوایم 50 تا جمله 25 تا مثال با کلمه شاید و 25 تا مثال با کلمه حتما بسازیم و یاد بگیریم. Well, as you know, شاید is a kind of modal verb in Persian. It means something like may or perhaps. And as we have learned before, the link for the video is here. The structure after شاید is the structure after a modal verb. However, the word hatman means definitely or surely. And after that, we don't have any verb changes. شاید خوشت بیاد. شاید خوشت بیاد. Perhaps you like it. حتما خوشت میاد. حتما خوشت میاد. Surely or definitely you will like it. So as you see, after شاید you have this base structure for the verb, and after حتما you have no change. It's a normal verb conjugation. شاید خوب باشه. شاید خوب باشه. Perhaps it is good. حتما خوبه. حتما خوبه. Surely it is good. شاید دیر برسم. شاید دیر برسم. Perhaps I'll be late. Perhaps I will come late. حتما دیر میرسم. حتما دیر میرسم. Definitely or surely I will be late. شاید خبر داشته باشه. شاید خبر داشته باشه. Perhaps he knows or perhaps he's aware. Please note that when we have to be or have after شاید, which is باشم باشی or داشته باشم داشته باشی etc., it is 90% replaceable with a normal structure. We will see now. حتما خبر داره. حتما خبر داره. Surely or definitely he knows. He is aware. As I said in the first sentence, شاید خبر داشته باشه, you can replace this داشته باشه with a normal verb like after حتما. داره. شاید خبر داره. شاید فکر کنی من دیوونم. شاید فکر کنی من دیوونم. Perhaps you think I'm crazy. حتما فکر میکنی من دیوونم. حتما فکر میکنی من دیوونم. Surely you think I'm crazy, but I'm not. شاید بهت زنگ بزنه. شاید بهت زنگ بزنه. Perhaps he or she will call you. حتما بهت زنگ میزنه. حتما بهت زنگ میزنه. Surely he or she will call you. شاید بتونم کمکت کنم. شاید بتونم کمکت کنم. Perhaps I can help you. حتما میتونم کمکت کنم. Surely I can help you. شاید باورت نشه. شاید باورت نشه. Perhaps you won't believe it or you may not believe it. حتما باورت نمیشه. حتما باورت نمیشه. Definitely you won't believe it. شاید منظورش این باشه که. شاید منظورش این باشه که. As I said, alternatively you can say شاید منظورش اینه که. Perhaps he or she or it means that. حتما منظورش اینه که. حتما منظورش اینه که. Surely he or she or it means that. The new words and phrases and extra examples will be available for my Patreon members. If you'd like to support me and enjoy these advantages, join my Patreon. شاید وجود داشته باشه. شاید وجود داشته باشه. Perhaps it exists or it may exist. حتما وجود داره. حتما وجود داره. It definitely exists or surely it exists. شاید بارون بیاد. شاید بارون بیاد. Perhaps it'll rain or it may rain. حتما بارون میاد. حتما بارون میاد. Surely it will rain. شاید بپرسی چرا. شاید بپرسی چرا. Perhaps you ask why or you may ask why. حتما میپرسی چرا. حتما میپرسی چرا. Surely you ask why. شاید بهت بگم. شاید بهت بگم. Perhaps I will tell you. حتما بهت میگم. حتما بهت میگم. Certainly or surely I will tell you. شاید وقت نداشته باشه. شاید وقت نداشته باشه. Perhaps he has no time. He is busy. حتما وقت نداره. حتما وقت نداره. Definitely, certainly, surely he has no time. شاید بیام پیشت. شاید بیام پیشت. Perhaps I will come to see you. I will visit you. حتما میام پیشت. حتما میام پیشت. Certainly I will come to you. Definitely, surely I will come to see you. شاید اینطوری بهتر باشه. شاید اینطوری بهتر باشه. Perhaps it's better this way. حتما اینطوری بهتره. حتما اینطوری بهتره. Certainly this way it is better. شاید خوابم ببره. شاید خوابم ببره. Perhaps I'll fall asleep. حتما خوابم میبره. حتما خوابم میبره. Definitely I will fall asleep. شاید دروغ باشه. شاید دروغ باشه. Perhaps it's a lie. حتما دروغه. حتما دروغه. Surely it's a lie. شاید قبول کنم. شاید قبول کنم. Perhaps I will accept it. حتما قبول میکنم. حتما قبول میکنم. Definitely or surely I will accept it. شاید تو کیفت باشه. شاید تو کیفت باشه. Perhaps it is in your bag. حتما تو کیفته. حتما تو کیفته. Definitely or surely it is in your bag. شاید جالب باشه. شاید جالب باشه. Perhaps it is interesting. Who knows? حتما جالبه. حتما جالبه. Surely it is interesting. شاید نبینمش. شاید نبینمش. Perhaps I won't see him, her or it. حتما نمیبینمش. حتما نمیبینمش. Definitely, surely, I won't see him or her or it. For example, the new Matrix movie. حتما نمیبینمش. جالب نیست. شاید خودش هم ندونه. شاید خودش هم ندونه. Perhaps he himself or she herself is not aware of that, or he or she themselves, they don't know it. حتما خودش هم نمیدونه. حتما خودش هم نمیدونه. Surely he himself or she herself does not know it. شاید درست بشه. شاید درست بشه. Perhaps it can be repaired or it can be solved, the problem or the thing. حتما درست میشه. حتما درست میشه. Definitely or certainly this problem or this thing will be solved or will be repaired. شاید ببریم. شاید ببریم. Perhaps we will win. حتما میبریم. حتما میبریم. Definitely we will win.